you have to be intentional about continuing to infuse your mind with that mindset, because I think left to its natural resources, you're going to start drifting away from that mindset naturally. Right. And I tell my wife this all the time. She's like, why do you keep reading all these books and listening to all these podcasts and all this stuff? And I said, honestly, it's because I have to brainwash myself. I literally brainwash myself, because if I don't, I know where my mind's going to drift back to, and it's not going to be something that's going to make me better tomorrow than I am today. Right. If I'm not listening to people who are more successful than me, if I'm not building relationships with people like you who are doing big things and wanting to do bigger things, in life, if I'm not reading books, trying to learn more about, business or being a dad or a husband or whatever, like I know that my mind is going to drift back. And so I know that my mind is susceptible to what goes into it. Right. So I want to choose the things that are going to help me grow and help me be better. So I literally brainwash myself and I make the conscious decision. How do I want to think? And I'm going to fill my mind with that. And I'm going to do it all the time, because if I don't, then I'm naturally going to drift back to a mindset that's not conducive to my growth.